In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $35,150 in commission with Fiverr affiliate marketing business in 90 days. Okay, I will share with you guys which affiliate links I'm promoting on YouTube. For people who already watched my videos, I will share with you guys new affiliate link that you should start promoting on YouTube if you want to earn some commission and so much more. Okay, so make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this free methods that I will share with you for free. Okay, and as you can see over here in my balance, I have $11,250 available. I will be able to withdraw this money by the end of this month. So anyway, so for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with Fiverr affiliate, what you need to do first, you need to go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, so you just need to come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliate, and you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. You can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service. They are really paying a good commission and you can make really a lot of money with this Fiverr affiliate marketing business. So just click on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. Just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, account type, make it private. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, that's fine, just click on next and that's it. It's super easy. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good services that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so how you can find good services and profitable services? So what you will do, you just need to go to your YouTube homepage. Okay, just open your YouTube homepage like this and click over here on the search and search for how to, let's say for example, how to run Instagram. Okay, how to run Instagram ads, and here you go. People will and as you can see, YouTube will give you a lot of topics that people are searching for. People are searching for how to run Instagram ads for business, how to run Instagram ads for clothing brand, how to run Instagram ads for Facebook ads manager, on Facebook ads manager, how to run ads Instagram ads for music. And this is report search prediction from YouTube. That's what people are searching for. Okay, for example, those people who are searching for how to run Instagram ads for business, what you will do, you will go back to your Fiverr homepage, click on the search for Instagram ads. Okay, so just search for Instagram ads, scroll down and you will find a lot of sellers here who are providing this service. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to choose a good sellers. Okay, choose like level 1 seller, level 2 seller, top rated sellers, pro sellers, sellers who has good reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers, they are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission. Okay, so for example, I will choose like this one. This one is pro seller. That's a really good. He has 5 star, a lot of reviews. So what you will do, this seller can do Facebook and Instagram ads. That's really good. I will click on his service. Just click on his service and you can, as you can see over here, this seller has 60 orders in queue. That's really a lot of people are buying this service. Okay, and people keep coming back. Okay, what you will do, you will copy his profile link. Okay, like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click over here and put this seller profile link here, click over here again, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Okay, what you need to do next is you need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So before we do that, we will go back to this seller on Fiverr. Okay, we will scroll down, we will click on his video.
Welcome to my gig. You've come to the right place for your...
That's really good. He's making a video explaining his service to his customers. Double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, you need to save this video to your laptop. Okay, I will name it as Instagram like this. Okay, after you finish, go back to Google. Okay, go to Google, search for Canva like this. Click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple and it's for free. After you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on video and you will be directly in this page over here. Okay, so what you will do, you will click on upload, click on upload file and upload this video to your Canva account. Okay, like this. Click on your video will be over here, and what you will do, click on this 3 points, click on set video as background. Okay, click on text and scroll down, click over here on and choose which style of text you want to use. I will use this one. Just click on the text style and your text will be here. I will delete this part and decrease the font size of your text like this. Put your text here, double click and write the sentence: check link in my description. Okay, check link in my description, because we will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. So people who will watch this video, they will see this. So let me just, okay, put this text here. Go to elements, click on, so what you will do, click on shape and click on color, choose black color and put this shape behind your text like this. Okay, and here you go. Okay, let me see.
Welcome to my gig. You've come to the right...
That's really good. Click over here on share, click on download, and this video will be downloaded to your laptop. Go to your YouTube channel and open a YouTube channel. It's super easy to create YouTube channel. If you don't know how, just go to YouTube and search for how to create YouTube channel. Super easy. It will take just few minutes. Okay, after you finish, upload this video, copy this title: how to run Instagram ads for business. Just copy this title like this. Use this title for your video. You should use those keywords. If you are not using those keywords that people are using to search for those topics, your video will not rank in search results. Okay, you should use those keywords exactly like this. Okay, and go to your YouTube description and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, copy your affiliate link from here and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description and start promoting services like this that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, those people who are searching for how to run Instagram ads for business, they have money, they don't know exactly how to do it. Okay, how to run Instagram ads for their business. Okay, that's why they are searching on YouTube how to do it. So this seller will help those people run Instagram ads for their businesses. Okay, because this seller is pro seller, he has a lot of reviews. Look at it's 1,000 reviews. That's really a lot. It's close to 2,000 reviews, 5-star, a lot of orders in queue. Okay, and that's it. If you don't know exactly how to do it, how to upload this video to your YouTube channel and how to put affiliate link in your YouTube description, check my YouTube description below. I will leave a link for a video that will show you step by step how you can do it. Okay, I already uploaded this video to my YouTube channel and you can watch it and just follow those steps and that's it. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next video.